Yesterday, 3 names: Lucky, Soumya, Shivansh. You haven't submitted the work yesterday. Is Shivansh in class? Okay, I'll see that afterwards. Okay. So let's start fifth second. So subtract -3 x square plus 7y square minus z square from 2x square minus 5y square minus 7z square. Okay, something we must pay attention to is z and 2. Okay, mainly students get confused between z and 2. Okay, if you are writing z like this, you may get confused or you may make mistake. Okay, always remember z, this corner must be sharp, this other corner must be sharp. Okay, some students are using this as z, or if many of the students are using this as z. So always remember this corner must be sharp. Use the corner sharp. This top corner must be sharp. Okay, or else you will get confused with 2. Some are writing like this z. So you might get confused it with 2. So 2 will be little bit bigger size. Z always use the sharp corner. Okay. Okay. So we have to subtract this from this. Subtract them. So it will be 2x square minus 5y square minus 7z square. Okay. And don't forget to don't skip the steps. Steps must be there. Minus of minus 3x square plus 7y square minus z square. This is clear. Don't skip the steps. From this quantity, we are going to subtract this whole quantity, minus of this whole. Okay. Now open the bracket. In next step, we will open the bracket. 2x square minus 5y square minus 7z square. Minus minus, it will be plus.
Plus.
Okay. 3x square minus plus, it will be
Plus.
minus. Minus plus, so it will be minus. 7y square. Minus minus, it will be
Plus.
plus. Z square. Now solve it, everyone. Everyone solve it. So like terms operate on the like terms. 2x square plus 3x square. How much you will be getting? 5x square. Next is minus 5y square and minus 7y square. Calculate it.
Sir, minus 12y square.
Minus 12y square. Okay. Then minus 7z square plus z square. All the like terms we will operate
Minus
on the like term.
6z square.
Minus 6z square. Okay, check. Everyone have got the same answer? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Third one. Do the third one. Everyone do the third one with the same steps. Okay. Do the third one. Always remember from which we have to subtract. Okay. Which will come first. Okay. Don't get confused with that. Okay. So from 3ab minus 4bc plus 17cd. From this quantity, we have to subtract the first given quantity, minus 2ab plus 4bc minus 5cd. Okay. Now open the bracket and solve it. Open the bracket and solve it. So 3ab minus 4 BC plus 17 CD. Minus minus it will be minus minus will become
Plus. Plus
2
2
AB.
minus
Then here
4 BC.
minus plus minus 4 BC.
BC.
Minus minus
Plus 5
5
CD.
CD. Okay, always remember this one operation here. Okay, now add the like terms, operate the like terms. Operate and find the answer. 5 AB minus 4 BC minus 4 BC minus 8 BC plus 17 CD
Minus-
plus 5 CD
Plus 22 CD.
2 CD. This is clear? This is clear?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fourth and fifth you can do as homework.
Yes, sir.
Fourth and fifth do as homework. Okay, let's start with sixth. Okay, read the question properly first. Everyone read the question properly and try to figure out how we are going to do. What we have to do first, then what we have to do. Try to figure out that. Okay, so this question says subtract AB plus CD plus 7AF from the sum of 3AB plus 4CD minus 3F and 2AB minus 3CD minus EF. Okay. Okay. Before that, I ask you one question. Okay. Subtract 5 from the sum of. No one will answer. I'll ask one student. Okay. From the sum of 3 and 7. Okay. So Anisha, you answer. Subtract 5 from the sum of 3 and 7. How are we going to proceed? What we have to do first? 1 minute only. Anisha is going to answer first. Okay. Anisha.
So first we will get the sum of 7 and 3, which
Yes.
is 10. Then we will
Yes.
subtract 5 from it, which is 5.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. So what we are going to see here, subtract 5 from what? From what we have to subtract 5? From the sum. From the sum we have to subtract, and whose sum? These two numbers sum. So first we have to calculate the sum of this and this. So sum of 3 and 7 will be
10.
10. Okay. Now we have to subtract 5 from 10.
10.
Next will be 10 minus 5.
Minus
You
5.
get
5.
5. This is clear? Okay. Next one I ask you. Okay, whom I should ask? All AA are present here. Devraj, Abhinav, I'm not going to ask you for timing. Harshit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer this one. Minus 4.
Sir,
Subtract 5. So first we have to,
add minus 4 and 3.
okay, 3 and minus 4 we have to add. It means it is
Minus
how much?
1.
Minus 1. Now,
Minus 5, which is minus 6.
okay, then we have to subtract 5 from minus 1. From minus 1, we will subtract 5. So we are getting minus 6. Good, thank you. Okay, so now do the first one, everyone. Everyone start doing the first one. Subtract AB plus CD plus 7EF from the sum of 3AB plus 4CD minus 3F and 2AB minus 3CD minus EF. Find the sum, and then from that sum, we subtract the given quantity. So subtract AB plus CD, AB plus CD plus 7EF. 7EF, 3AB.
Four CD.
Okay, plus 4CD
minus 3EF.
minus 3EF. And the other number is 2AB minus 3CD
Minus EF.
EF. Okay. These are the two expressions. So subtract this from the sum of this and this. So first take the sum of these two expressions. 3AB plus 4CD minus 3EF plus 2AB minus 3CD minus EF. Take their sum. 3AB, 2AB, 5AB. 4CD minus 3CD plus CD
CD.
minus 4EF. This is the sum you will get. Everyone have got the same sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From this,
Yes.
subtract this one. Okay. Next step will be what? This is our first. Okay. Second step will be 5AB plus CD minus 4EF. Minus, when we are subtracting, we have to take the whole. AB plus CD plus 7EF. Okay. Next step, open the bracket. Minus AB minus plus minus CD minus 7EF. Okay, calculate it, everyone.
Sir, 4AB.
5AB minus AB. 4AB.
4AB
Okay.
minus
Plus CD
11EF.
minus CD. No term of CD.
Sir,
0.
0.
Minus 4 plus
11
minus
minus 11EF.
EF. Is this clear to everyone? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second one, do as homework. Okay, see second, do as homework. Okay, seventh, from seventh, we'll do all the questions. Okay, start doing seventh. What should be subtracted from this to get this? Try to understand the question. Okay, if I ask you the question like this, what should be subtracted sorry, from 7 to get 3? So what should be subtracted from 7? That means something we have to subtract from 7 to get 3. It means like this. What should be subtracted from 7? 7 minus something to get means equal to 3. This is the question. In first
Yes.
class, we have done like this question. Yes or no?
Yes,
In
sir.
first class, we have studied like this question. Okay. Only change the form, question remains same. So what should be subtracted from 7?
Sir,
What
7 plus
should be-
3.
No.
7 minus
Sir,
3.
7 minus
Sir,
3.
7 minus 3.
7 minus 3. Okay. So see here, what should be subtracted from 7? From 7, we are subtracting something to get 3. It means if we subtract 3 from 7, we get this one. Okay. For example, I have taken it as x. Okay. So it is 7 minus x equal to 3. Or we can say, okay, what you want to take? X on this side, 7 equal to x plus 3. Or we can write x plus 3 equal to 7, x equal to 7 minus 3. Either way you can do. Okay, you understood what should be subtracted from 7. From 7 we have to subtract something and remaining we get 3. It means this remaining, if we subtract from 7, we'll get this what? Understood? Okay. So what should be subtracted from? This one. So what is the bigger number? What should be subtracted from? 14 x square x raised to power 4 minus 3x cube plus 25 x minus 42. What should be subtracted from this to get this? So the remaining, whatever answer is coming, we will subtract from this one. Yes or no? To get this one.
Yes.
That means from this we are subtracting something, and the given answer will have. If we subtract this from this, we'll get this one. And from this we will subtract 3 x raised to power 4 plus 17 x cube minus 12 x minus 65. This you all have understood. What should be subtracted from this so that we can get this one? So whatever we are getting, if we subtract that one, we will get what is to be subtracted. Okay. Now open the bracket. So 14 x raised to power 4 minus 3 x raised to power 3 plus 25x minus 42 minus 3x raised to power 4 minus plus minus 17x cube minus plus minus plus 65. Okay, solve this one. Everyone solve. Solve and get the answer. 14x cube minus 3x raised to power 4. Minus 3 x cube minus 17 plus 25x plus 12x minus 42 plus 65 plus 25. Have you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now read the next question. 8th question, everyone read. Everyone read 8th question. Okay, question says how much smaller is this than this? Okay, this is like this. How much smaller is 4 than 9? Okay, what will be the answer? How much smaller is 4 than 9? As compared to 9, how much is this 4 smaller?
9 minus 4.
9 minus 4?
9 minus 4.
In comparison to 9, how much is this 4 smaller? The question is asking this one. How much smaller is 4 than 9? Okay, it is 9 minus 4. Okay, that is, you get 5. So it is this 4 is 5 smaller than 9. Okay, then do the question provided in book. How much smaller is 5x minus 8y plus 9z than 12x minus 10y minus 3z plus 60. So this is a bigger. How much smaller is this than this? Okay. So from this you have to separate this one. Whether it comes negative or whatever, doesn't matter. So 12x minus 10y minus 3z plus 60 minus this one. So this is how much smaller as compared to this one. So we'll subtract this from this one. 5x minus 8y plus 9z. Open the bracket and solve, everyone. Open the bracket and solve, everyone. It will be minus 5x minus minus plus 8y and minus 9z. Okay. So 12x minus 5x, you get 7x minus 10y, 8y minus 2y minus 12z and plus 16. Everyone have got the answer? Yes or no? Everyone have got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Anyone remaining? Okay, try 9th now. This time little bit difference is there. How much bigger? How much bigger is 7 than 5? So this time, how much bigger is
7 minus 5.
So from 7, we will subtract 5. How much bigger is this as compared to this? Okay. Sorry. Okay. Solve everyone. So this time, from this, we are going to subtract minus 3x square plus 4x square y minus 9xy. Open the bracket and solve. Open the bracket and solve. So what is most important? That is, you must read the question properly. Read the question properly. Okay, half of your problem will get solved by then. And then, what steps you are going to do? Figure that out. Okay, we'll figure out what steps you must go, and then and then proceed. Okay, so we must first find the way. This is the steps where I'm going to calculate like this and that, and you now minus minus plus 3x square minus plus minus 4x square y minus minus, it will be again plus 9xy. Is this clear? Have you understood this one? Now solve them.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone have completed? So
Yes, sir.
7x square y square. Any term of x square y square? No other term? So it will come 7x square y square. Okay, xy square any term? Sixteen xy square is there. 16xy square. Okay. So no other term of xy square minus 16 xy square. X square y minus 12 x square.
Sir, your
y.
voice is not clear.
It's not clear. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus 8x square y minus 4x square y. 3x square any other term? No other term. So plus 3x square and plus 9xy. Okay, you can arrange these terms in any order. It doesn't matter. In any order you can write. We all remember that addition follows commutative law. Yes or no? A plus B plus C same as A plus C plus B, or C plus A plus B. In any order you can write B plus C plus A. Okay. These can be written in any order. It doesn't matter. Okay. This is clear. This question is clear to all. Okay. Try the next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Try the next one. Read the question properly first. Don't start doing instantly. First, read the question properly. Okay. Read it. Okay. So if the perimeter of a triangle is this much, and two sides of a triangle measure this and this, find the length of the third side of the triangle. Okay. I'm giving you one question. For example, this is a triangle, and its perimeter is given as 17 centimeter. Okay. Its perimeter is given as 17 centimeter. Okay. And length of two sides are given. That is ABC is a triangle. Its perimeter is 17 centimeter. This length is 6 centimeter. Other length is 7 centimeter. Okay. Find the third side. So how you are going to find the third side?
Sir,
What do you mean
first
by
we will
perimeter?
add the given two sides, then we will subtract from 17.
Okay. So first the question arises, do you know the perimeter? What do you mean by perimeter? If you don't know, then you won't be able to solve. Yes or
Sum of
no?
all sides.
Of all.
Sum of all sides. See, a perimeter means boundary. Okay. Perimeter means boundary. Boundary means if you start from here, how much length, how much distance you will cover. That means sum of all the sides. Understood this one? In triangle, the sum of all the three sides will give us the perimeter. Perimeter means boundary. If you start from here, how much distance you will travel coming back to the same point. That means perimeter. Okay. So perimeter is given 17 centimeter. So if I am taking this as x, so it means 6 plus 7 plus x equal to 17. Add these two sides, how much? 13 plus x equal to 17. X equal to how much? 17 minus 13. X is how much?
4.
4 centimeters. Understood this one? Okay. But this time they are given in variables. Okay. And these variables denotes numbers only. Okay. So any two sides are given. So perimeter is given 4y minus 3x plus 2z centimeter. And one side is given 4x plus 2y plus z centimeter. Other side is given 3x plus 7y minus 2z centimeter. And you have to find the third side. So how we are going to proceed? So first we'll be writing sum of two sides. Calculate sum of two sides. Everyone calculate the sum of two sides. 3x plus 7y minus 2z plus 4x plus 2y plus z. Okay. Centimeter we'll put afterwards. Okay. 3x plus 4x, 7x. 7y plus 2y, 9y. And it is minus z centimeters. Once check whether I've done correct or not. Everyone check it. Check with your answer. Have you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
got the same answer? Okay. So sum of two sides we have got. Third side, how we can get? From the total sum of the three sides. That is from perimeter, if we subtract sum of these two sides. So third side equal to, or length of third side equal to perimeter minus sum of these two sides. This will be writing perimeter minus sum of these two sides. We'll be writing that one. Sum of two sides, perimeter. Okay. So it will be how much? 4y minus 3x plus 2z minus 7x plus 9y minus z. So 4y minus 3x plus 2z minus 7x minus 9y minus plus z. 4y, okay, I'm writing answer here. 4y minus 9y minus 5y minus 3x minus 7x
minus 10x.
10x. 2z plus z plus 3z centimeter. Okay. One check, have you got the same answer? This is the answer. So the length of the third side,
Yes, sir.
at last you have to write as well. The length of the third side of the triangle equal to this much. Don't forget the unit. Okay? Centimeter. Or else the examiner will ask what this is. Is it apples or mangoes or what? Bananas. It is centimeter. So don't forget the unit. Is this clear to all?
Yes, sir.
So anyone have doubt in this exercise?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, we are having 3 minutes. So complete 6 second as well. We are having 3 minutes. So let's complete 6 second. And tomorrow we'll start with multiplication of algebra expressions, algebraic expressions. Okay. Tomorrow we are having 2 periods. Okay. So we complete good amount of questions. So complete 6 second now. Complete the 6 second now. Complete the 6 second now. Subtract 2a cube minus 4a square plus 13 from the sum of. So the two numbers are given, 7a cube plus 3a plus 7. Algebraic expression is given. So last two expressions we are going to add first. Add them. Everyone add them. So are you getting 10a cube? 1 minute, it is 3a cube, 10a cube minus 3a square plus
Plus
7a
7a.
plus 12.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting this? Okay. This is the sum of the two sides, sum of the two numbers. Okay. From this, we have to subtract minus what we have to subtract?
2a cube
2a cube
minus 4a square
4a square
plus
plus
13.
13. Okay. So 10a cube minus 3a square plus 7a plus 12 minus 2a cube minus minus plus 4a square minus plus minus 13. Solve this one. 10a cube, any other term of, yes, 8a cube minus 3a square
Sir, plus
plus
2a
4a
square. Sir,
plus
plus
a
2a square
a square.
plus
3a minus
7a
3a square, 4a square is given. So plus a square,
plus
7a,
7a
no other thing. 7a
minus 1.
minus 1 minus 2a cube. Okay.
Sir, the 3 students have to submit the work.
Okay, not today. Not today. Okay.
Sir,
Complete your
this-
work
Sir,
today.
why
This
you have
exercise.
written, sir, minus 2a cube? Sir, because in first you have written 8a cube.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes. Sorry for that. A cube already gone. A square. Then 7a. Okay. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So complete this exercise today. Few questions only we have left. I think 2 only. 5th, 2nd, and 3rd. Complete them. Okay. Any doubt till? Okay. So tomorrow we'll start with multiplication. See here, this chapter is very, very important. In next class, you are having the whole chapter dedicated to this one. Okay. Simultaneous expansions will be there. If you understand this chapter, first chapter will be there next year, rational numbers. That is as well based on this one, variables. Then you have the expansions, then how you have the simultaneous equations, and many more are there. So this chapter is very important. So pay attention to this chapter, okay? By the way, all the chapters are very important. Next year we will be studying the enhanced version of these chapters, okay? So pay attention in class. 8th class is very, very important, okay? 8th class is very important so that your 9th and 10th class will go very smooth. So study nicely in this class, okay? 8th class. Mathematics is very important here. Okay then. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
And you have to emphasize on understanding. Okay, nothing to mug out. Only try to understand this one as well as physics, any other chapter, you have to understand them. Okay. So emphasize on understanding. Okay, then thank you. Have a nice day.